Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to redeem a gift card in Forever 21 website. It's a very simple process and we're going to go through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the Forever 21 website. After you are in the website, log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this page of Forever 21. So now, in order to redeem your gift card, you can do so directly during the checkout process. So you can explore the products and add to your cart. And to view your cart, here you can see the cart option at the top right. Tap on it. Here you will see a list of items that you have added to your cart. And if you are ready to check out, tap on this checkout button. And over here, you need to fill up your shipping address. Once you do so, tap on continue. So here you can apply your gift cards. You can see this gift card section over here. Now you will need to enter the gift card number and the PIN. Once you apply your gift card number and your PIN, tap on apply to redeem your gift card. And your gift card balance will now be available in your account. So the final payment will be done through it. That's it. That's how you can redeem a gift card in Forever 21. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.